Welcome guys! In this video, I will show you how to create one of the best types of coloring book in Amazon KDP. These books are easy to create and they sell very well. If you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach you how to make money from Amazon KDP and other sources of print on demand. We will go over all tips and tricks that will help you to be successful and make passive income. If you are interested in these types of videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Animal mandala coloring books or Zentangle coloring books are one of the best types of coloring books in Amazon KDP. Creating a book in this niche is very easy and you can create beautiful and unique designs with a couple of small steps. In the previous video, I showed you how you can create a simple mandala design. In this video, we will level up our design and will show you how you can create an animal mandala book, which is a better version of a simple mandala and has less competition. Like always, let's review these niche competitors on Amazon before showing you how you can create an animal mandala design. Open the Amazon website and search for animal mandala coloring book. As you can see, there are almost 3000 results for this keyboard, which shows it's not as competitive as the mandala coloring book, but still the competition is high. As you can see, we have a couple of good books with low bestseller rank here. For example, this book bestseller rank is 119 and the book price is $6.20 with more than 13,000 reviews. Also, as you can see, this book has 118 pages, which means this book has around 50 unique designs. Instead of using TCK for calculating the estimate sale, I will use Helium Chrome plugin in this video. It will allow you to use it 35 times per month for free. I think it's enough for most of us, but if you need more than that, you will need to pay for it or you can use TCK website instead of this plugin. Okay, let's sort it by the number of sales. The number of sales here are for last 30 days. The first book in this list is the exact book that had the lowest bestseller rank. As you can see, it sold around 17,595 books in last 30 days. The last column of this row is how much revenue this book earned in the last 30 days. And it's different from the author's profit. For calculating the profit, we can use Amazon KDP royalty calculator. You can find a link to this spreadsheet down in the description. First, enter the number of pages and the price. As you can see, this book profit per sale is $1.45, which is great. Now we just need to multiply $1.45 by 17,595 to calculate the estimated total profit of this book in last 30 days. As you can see, this book profit for last month was almost $25,000, which makes it one of the most profitable books in Amazon KDP. Now let's see how we can create an animal mandala coloring book in PowerPoint. You can find a link to my previous video that I showed you how you can create a mandala design in the description. But for now, we will just download a mandala from Pixabay to test this method. So just open the pixabay.com and search for the mandala. I think this one seems good for the test. Click on the free download and download it with high quality. Now you just need to drag your mandala image to PowerPoint or from the insert menu, click on pictures and select your mandala image. Your mandala image is better to be JPG or PNG with transparent background. Now that we have the mandala design, we need an SVG animal. It's important to be SVG. Let's use Pixabay to get an animal design for this test. Search for animal silhouette in pixabay.com and select vector as a type. I'm looking for a black and white animal. Okay, I think this one is good for this example. Just go inside and click on free download. Make sure to select the vector format. Now we just need to import your animal vector inside the PowerPoint. We first need to select both of them. And from the format menu, select the selection. Make sure the mandala image is behind the animal silhouette. The animal image should be the first one from the top of the selection pane. Now select the animal and from the format menu, click on the convert to shape. If you don't see convert to shape, your PowerPoint is either older than 2019 or your animal shape is not SVG. The last step is merging these two images to create an animal mandala design. Select both of them and from the Format menu, click Merge Shape and select Intersect. That's it. By these easy steps, you create a beautiful animal mandala design. You should be able to create all sorts of animals coloring book easily in PowerPoint. Just remember, this method just works on PowerPoint 2019 and your animal silhouette should be in SVG format. You can also create animal mandala with icon library of PowerPoint. Click on icons. Select the animal category and choose one of the animal icons. I think the cat icon looks good. Now import your mandala image again. Now select the animal and from the Format menu, click on the Convert to Shape. Select both of them and from the Format menu, click Merge Shape and select Intersect. The second way that you can create an animal mandala is by using Adobe Illustrator. It's a little more complicated, but instead you don't need to have the SVG version of your files and you can create it with just images. First, drag your mandala design into Illustrator. Select the image and from the top toolbar, click on the arrow key beside the image trace and select the black and white logo. After that, select Expand. We now need to bring the animal silhouette and repeat the same process. Just drag the animal image to Illustrator. This time, instead of an SVG file, I will use an image. Okay, select a new image and from the image trace, select the black and white logo option. After that, click on Expand and remove all the extra white layers. Before continuing the steps, we need to make sure our animal design is on top of Mandala. If it is not, just right-click on the Mandala image and from Arrange, select Send to Back. Next, create a copy of your animal and change its background color to transparent and set the stroke to 3. Next, select the mandala layer, your original animal design, and then right-click and select Make Clipping Mask. As you can see, our animal mandala is almost ready. Now we just need to add the outline layer. Select both designs and from the Properties panel, select Center to align both of them. That's it. Our mandala design is ready. Tell me in the comment section which one of them was easier. I think PowerPoint is easier, but because of the PowerPoint limitation, if you don't have the vector version of your animals, Adobe Illustrator would be the better option here. Now that we have the designs, let's take a look at some of the main keywords that animal mandala coloring books use. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Until the next video, bye.